This course is a bundle that includes 4 courses. Django with a full real-world project, Basic to Advanced Python courses and TK Inter. There are 17 hours of Python alone with a lot of examples. Then we have UI course with TK Inter that is more than 7 hours. Then we have a 40-hour course of Django where we cover one real-world project from a start to finish. First, we learn how to install and configure Django and create a simple Hello World project. Then we learn about files and how to upload them, and how to use date and time function, adding categories to our website, creating a full professional admin panel where users can control everything, writing apps for registering, changing password permission, and a lot more are all being covered. We also discuss how to write comment sections of the site, how to get the IP and the location of the client, how to work with CSV files, how to create and use QR codes, and then we work on uploading our site and applying all the security that is so much important. It's just a short glimpse into the site that we are going to design on this course. Let's get on our way.